Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today, this is our third lecture, and we will see the third rule of direct and indirect speech. As we have discussed two rules, how we will change the tense while we are changing direct into indirect speech. First of all, let's recapitulate. First of all, we have seen when the tense of the reporting verb is in present tense, then the tense of the reported speech does not change. It remains unchanged. ये हमने पढ़ा है जब when reporting verb is in present tense and the tense of the reported speech जो है it's never changed, it remains as it is. ये हमने पहले पढ़ा rule number 1. Rule number 2 हमने देखा if the reporting verb is in past tense and the tense of the reported speech is in present tense, then when we will change it into indirect speech, what happens? Then the tense, when the reporting verb is in past tense and the tense of the reported speech is in present tense, while changing direct into indirect, then the tense of the reported speech changes into its corresponding past tense. Okay? For example, if it is present indefinite, it will become past indefinite. If it is present continuous, it will become past continuous. If it is present perfect, it will become past perfect. Okay? We have read these rules and we have also read about the change of pronouns. Pronoun कैसे change होगा वो हमने देखा है first person, second person और third person. If the subject of the reporting verb is in first person, it changes according to subject. If the subject of the reported speech is in second person, it changes according to the object of the reporting verb. And if it is in third person, it remains unchanged. There is no change. So you have to remember, मैंने आपको पहले लेसन में भी बताया, you have to remember the formula SUN. Simple formula है आपके लिए, जिससे आपको याद रहेगा SON. First person, second person, third person. First person change according to subject, second according to object, and third no change. So you have to remember it, and we have read it in our previous lesson. Now today, let us see if rule number 3, if the reporting verb is in past tense and reported speech is also in past tense, is also in past tense. Now the rule is अगर आप दोनों reporting verb भी और reported speech भी दोनों past tense में होंगे तो how it changes? It changes as follows. It changes as follows. यानी नीचे दिया गया है as under हम कहेंगे. तो नीचे जब हम रूल देखेंगे तो कैसा चेंज होता है. नंबर वन, अगर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच यानी रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब तो हमें पता ही है इफ इट इज इन पास्ट टेंस. अगर अब रिपोर्टेड स्पीच जो है इफ इट इज इन पास्ट इंडेफिनिट, rather you can say past simple. अगर अब रिपोर्टेड स्पीच पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में हो या पास्ट सिंपल में तो इट विल चेंज इनटू पास्ट परफेक्ट. पास्ट परफेक्ट, रिमेंबर इट प्लीज. सो ये पास्ट परफेक्ट बन जाएगा. अब अगर वहां से रिपोर्टेड स्पीच जो है इफ इट इज इन पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, तो इसको क्या चेंज कैसे हो जाएगा. If the reported speech is in past continuous, it will change into past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Okay? हाँ. Number 3. अब if the reporting verb is in past tense or reported speech. If it is in past continuous or past perfect continuous. Sorry, if it is in past perfect, if it is in past perfect or past perfect continuous. Now, if the reported speech is in past continuous, past perfect, or if it is in past perfect or past perfect continuous, then how it changes into reported indirect speech? It remains unchanged. Both, when the reported speech is in past perfect or in past perfect continuous, both remains unchanged. Okay, so rule number 3. If the reporting verb, both reporting verb and reported speech are in past tense, it changes as per this rule. For example, if the reported speech is in past indefinite, or we can say past simple, it will change into past perfect. Okay, if it is in past continuous tense, then it becomes past perfect continuous. Okay, now if the reported speech is in past perfect, past perfect continuous में वहाँ सही होगा sentence, then it remains unchanged. The tense of the reported speech remains unchanged, while we will change direct into indirect. Okay, now we will see some examples so that we can understand better. For example, हमारे पास सेंटेंस है, he said to me, comma, inverted commas begin, you did your work, full stop, commas closed. The sentence is, he said to me, you did your work. Now, see the tense, please. Dear students, see. He said to me, that means it is past. You did your work. Did. Verb is in second form, that means it is past, and it is past simple, rather you can say past indefinite. Okay? Now, how it changes? He said to me. I have told you in previous lesson that if it is said to, it becomes tell. If it is says to, it becomes tells. If it is said to, it becomes told. So, he told me that. Now the tense, you. First of all, say pronoun here, subject here, you. It is second person. Second person change according to formula जो मैंने बताया आपको, first, second and third person. So first according to subject, second according to object. So what is object here? To whom it is addressed? To me. Me. It is objective form me. तो अब हमने एज सब्जेक्ट यहाँ पर इस्तेमाल करना है, तो मी की सब्जेक्ट फॉर्म जो है, सब्जेक्ट केस अदर वी कैन से, सब्जेक्ट केस का आई बन जाएगा, फर्स्ट पर्सन है, ही टोल्ड मी दैट आई. नाउ सी द टेंस, you did your work, you did your work, so it is past simple. So हमने देखा है अभी फॉर्मल रूल में, if the tense of the reported speech, if the tense of the reported speech is in, if the tense of the reported speech is in past indefinite, it changed into past perfect. So he told me that it is past simple, so it will become past perfect. He told me that I had done. टेंस आपने पढ़ा है तो इसका परफेक्ट बन जाएगा पास्ट परफेक्ट ऐसे, आई हैड डन योर. योर इज आल्सो सेकंड पर्सन, इट चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट इज हियर मी, तो इट इज सब्जेक्टिव केस. नाउ योर इज हियर पॉजेसिव केस. एज पॉजेसिव केस यहां पर योर का फर्स्ट पर्सन क्या बन जाएगा पॉजेसिव केस? माई. माई वर्क. डू यू गॉट इट? He told me that I had done my work. That I had done my work. The sentence was, he said to me, you did your work. So इसका जब indirect बन जाएगा, he told me that I had done my work. यहाँ पर जो my है, it is second person, it changes according to object. तो possessive case में my बन जाएगा. यहाँ पर as subject case me का इसका I बन जाएगा. So it will become I. यहाँ पर tense change हो जाएगा. It will become past perfect. I had done my work. Okay. Now the second sentence. I said, comma, inverted commas begin. He was playing, commas closed. So now, see the sentence. I said, it is with reporting verb, he was playing. It is present past continuous. So when the tense of the reported speech is in past continuous, हमने अभी देखा, it will become past perfect continuous. Now how we will change it? I said that he का क्या बन जाएगा? It is third person singular, so third person remains unchanged. तो he रहेगा. He तो past continuous, ये past continuous है, it will become in past perfect continuous. He had been. Tense आपने पढ़ा है, you must know it. He had been playing. He had been playing. So this is, here it was past indefinite, it becomes past perfect. Here it was past continuous, it became past perfect continuous. Okay? Now, let us see two other examples of this rule. He said to his brother. He said, simple हम बनाएंगे अभी. He said to him. He said to me, comma inverted commas begin. He said to me, you sang a song. You sang a song. Commas close. So ये हमने पहले अभी बताया, अभी उसी की रिहर्सल हम करते हैं, उसी रूल की फिर दोबारा. He said to me, तो आपको पता है डियर स्टूडेंट्स, he told, said to बन जाएगा told. He told me, तो that आएगा, शाबाश. हाँ, you sang a song. You is second person, it change according to object, तो me है, me का object subject to form I बन जाएगा. He told me that I. Here it is you sang a song. Sing की second form है sang. So it is past indefinite. Then it will change into past perfect. That I had sing, sang, sung. Third form sung है इसकी. Sung a song. Okay. This was another example. एक और example हम लिखिए ये. I said to my brother, comma, inverted commas, start. You were writing a letter. Full stop, commas, close. Now how it is changed? I said to, it will become told. I told my brother that you, here it is second person, it changed according to the object, my brother. तो my brother जो है उसके लिए हम pronoun क्या इस्तेमाल करेंगे? I told my brother that you were writing a letter, so it is past continuous, it will become past perfect continuous. He had been writing a letter. So this is how, when it is present indefinite, how it changes. In past indefinite, how it changes. When it is past continuous, how it changes. So now हम दो और सेंटेंस देखेंगे जो हमने अभी ऊपर लिखा है. Now if the tense of the reported speech is in past perfect, अगर वहां से ही अब past perfect होगा सेंटेंस जो हमने चेंज करना है, तो वो कैसे चेंज होगा? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I said, comma inverted commas begin. I said, comma inverted commas begin. He had done his homework. Full stop, commas close. Now, dear students, please be attentive. I said. रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट में है, तो फिर कंजक्शन आएगा दैट. I said that he had done his homework. He had done his homework. That means the tense of the reported speech, it is in past perfect. हमने अभी देखा रूल में past perfect जो है ये कैसे चेंज होता है? Past perfect जो अगर if it is in past tense and the tense of the reported speech is in past perfect, it remains unchanged. Okay? Now, so यहाँ पर tense जो है past perfect, it will remain as it is. I said that he, it is third person no change, that he had done his homework. Okay, that he had done his homework. So this is, we are seeing here that if the tense of the reported speech is in past perfect, it remains unchanged. Now another example. My brother said to me, inverted commas begin, I had been doing my homework, full stop, commas close. Now, dear students, please see. My brother said to me. This is reporting verb. I had been doing my homework. I had been doing my homework. Then it is past perfect continuous. तो रूल में हमने अभी जो पढ़ा, रूल में देखा if the tense of the reported speech is in past perfect or in past perfect continuous and the reporting verb is also in past tense, then it remains unchanged. जैसा हमने ऊपर देखा है. So it will remain unchanged. फिर क्या बन जाएगा? My brother said to me. Said to becomes told. My brother told me that I had been doing my homework. I. Here it is I first person. यहाँ पर आप देखो रूल में SON जो मैंने आपको फार्मूला बताई है, S means first person यहाँ पर आएगा, तो first person change according to subject. But you should remember subject जो होगा वो reporting verb का हमने देखना है. Remember it. यहाँ पर अगर as subject होगा तो यहाँ पर देखना है हमने ये pronoun जो है it change as per the subject of the reporting verb. Reporting verb में subject क्या है? My brother. My brother told me that तो my brother के लिए हम कौन सा pronoun लगाएंगे? He. My brother told me that he had tense. I had been doing it. It is past perfect continuous. It will remain as it is because the rule is that if it is in past perfect continuous, it remains unchanged. So my brother told me that he had been doing my. Here it is also my. It is possessive case. तो my जो है first person change according to the subject. Subject यहाँ my brother है. तो then what will be it is possessive case? Then his यहाँ पे his home. Because here it is first person, it changed according to the subject, his homework. Okay? Do you got it? Now we have seen today. हमने आज देखा रूल क्या देखा हमने आज? Previously we have seen if the tense of the reporting verb जो है if it is in present tense, no change here in reported speech while changing direct and indirect. If it is in past and reported speech is in present, then it changes. It is corresponding past tense means it changes. Present indefinite becomes past indefinite. Present perfect continuous becomes past continuous. Present perfect will become past perfect and present perfect continuous will become past perfect continuous. Now आज हमने क्या देखा? If the reporting verb is in past and reported speech is also in past, दोनों both are in past tense now. Then what happens? How it changes? Then we have seen if here it is past indefinite. अगर यहाँ पे past indefinite है reported speech, while changing direct and indirect speech, it will become past perfect. If it is in past continuous, it will become past perfect continuous. ये दो इसमें अप्लाई होते हैं. और अगर ये past perfect वहां पे होगा, वहां से ही past perfect और past perfect continuous जो है it remains unchanged. So there is no change then. जिसके लिए मैंने आपको दो examples भी दी. Hope that you will have understood it better. If any problem when you will watch this lesson, अगर आपको कहीं कोई problem है, you should contact me on phone number 7006902406. Please do contact me if you have any problem when you will watch this lesson. अगर कहीं कोई समझ नहीं आया तो please contact me on this number और मुझे बताओ कि यहाँ पर हमने समझ नहीं आया है तो मैं आपको फिर understand करूँगा. But hope you will have better. आपने ये तीनों लेसन अच्छी तरह से अंडरस्टैंड किए होंगे. तो हमने इसे असल टू सेंटेंस देखा इन तीन रूल्स में कैसे चेंज होता है. आप इसके बाद हाउ इंट्रोगेटिव विल चेंज एंड हाउ एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस जो अगर होगा तो हाउ दैट चेंजेस, तो वो हम इंशाल्लाह आगे वाले लेसन में देखें. वी विल सी दिट in coming lessons. So I hope that you would have better understood these three lessons, how the assertive sentence changes, rather affirmative sentence, positive sentence जो होंगे तो वो कैसे simple sentence कैसे change होते हैं direct into indirect, और rule जो है जब हम interrogative sentence पढ़ेंगे या हम exclamatory sentence पढ़ेंगे तो उसमें भी ये tense वाले rule जो है ये आपने याद रखने हैं, और जो pronoun है वो भी याद रखना है, और वहां पर मजीद हम उसके बारे में बाद नेक्स्ट लेसन में पढ़ेंगे। तो मुझे उम्मीद है आपने ये अच्छी तरह से समझ लिया होगा। तो आप अगर कहीं आपको प्रॉब्लम है तो मुझे इस नंबर पर कॉल कीजिएगा, 7006902406 पर कॉल कीजिए। तो मैं आपको कहीं भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो मैं आपको वो क्लियर करूंगा, कोई कंफ्यूजन हो मैं क्लियर करूंगा। होप यू वुड हैव बेटर अंडरस्टूड, और मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप इसमें घर में यू विल आप कोई और भी बहुत सारे यू विल कंसल्ट योर ग्रामर बुक जो है तो आपके पास यू विल कंसल्ट दैट बुक एंड यू विल एक्सरसाइज इट, और आप बहुत सारे इसके मशक करेंगे घर पे। तो बहुत सारे सेंटेंस जो हैं वो आप करेंगे घर पे, उनकी चेंज करेंगे डायरेक्ट इनटू इनडायरेक्ट, और वहां पर भी अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी तो मुझे आप फोन कीजिएगा, तो आई विल हेल्प यू जहां पर भी आपकी प्रॉब्लम हो। तो मुझे उम्मीद है आपने अच्छी तरह से समझ लिया होगा। सो आई होप दैट यू विल डू योर वर्क एट योर होम। आज आपका मौका है, घर में बैठे हुए हैं तो आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मेहनत करेंगे तो इंशाल्लाह इन वक्त आएगा बहुत जल्द ही कि हम फिर मिलेंगे अपनी क्लासेस में, अपने स्कूल में। तो तब तक इंशाल्लाह हम ऐसे ही क्लासेस लेते रहेंगे। अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होगी तो यू कंटैक्ट मी ऑन माई फोन नंबर। विश यू बेस्ट ऑफ लक, बी इंडोर्स एंड बी सेफ। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर कोऑपरेशन।